Happy New Year! So today we're doing unboxing with me. So today I'm gonna open up this sewing machine that Santa bought me for Christmas and slash my grandmother got for Christmas for me. So I'm really excited to open this. So I'm looking forward to make my Katniss Spray tribute dress cosplay for 3 months ahead of me. So this is the box that comes in, and it's the 12 line upgrade. It's a household electric sewing machine. And be mindful. And this be mindful. Use of caution. Please cut off the power supply when changing the needle to avoid danger. Please follow the correct threading steps to avoid causing the machine cord jumper. Place in a dry environment. Unplug when changing bolts. So listen. And so it features 2-lane 2-speed, built in 12 kinds of stitching. Suitable presser foot can be changed as needed. Use of new die casting foot can car variety of fabrics. Automatic winding function. Cylinder seam function with small drawers. Locking edge 4-step sewing buttonhole. The switch can be controlled by hand key or foot pedal. Built in small light. This is tangent line. Use a DC-6V power supply or a 4AA battery. And so the accessories comes with a power cord, pedals, metal shuttle cord, 2 times plastic cord, machine needles, 1 time threading, and lock button eye presser foot. So this is everything. Everything comes inside this box. So I may not wait to open. I'm very excited. And now it's time. So I'm going to take this pair of scissors from Target, and I'm going to be cutting. Make sure everything. I make sure I don't want anything broken. Be careful not to get the boxes off. It opens by itself. So here is the sewing thread. So it comes with the needle, the thread picker, a pair of scissors, and spool. And it comes with the measuring tape and the thread with different colors. And it comes with everything in this box. So I'm going to set that up. So in here is another set. Comes with extra thread and so open automatically. And here's what in this because it's a foot pedal, and this comes with a charger. So and this is the tray when you. Wait a second, this thing just fell. You see this right there? This is a little tiny little needle. So it's not a medical needle, so it's for vaccines or something. And here are the instructions set. So all I'm going to do is just follow the directions on this sheet. Okay, and so here's how to set up. And so be mindful. Do not throw that away. And so be mindful that Valentine when Rosie has that, she's know the expectations, how to follow the directions on the sewing machine. So Lauren Does Cosplay has that too. So if you want to go, must be going to her YouTube channel. So I'll be putting the links down below. So I have some stickers right there on my bed that were left over from DragonCon last year. So I'm going to be decorating my sewing kit. And I'm going to start reading the directions. And that means if you got any problems with that, just let us know. And thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a happy 2026, and it will be the best year ever. So if you have a sewing machine in your arts and crafts room, you must comment down below. If you do not, but I'll send you the link below on Amazon.com. So thanks for watching.